How to help your baby start walking. Many parents wonder when their child will take those first steps. Some wait patiently, others watch for every possible sign. Today, we will walk you through simple habits that help a child build strength and confidence. Tips and tricks to encourage your baby to walk. 1. Strengthening the core. Place your child on a firm blanket and let them play freely. Reaching for toys from a seated or crawling position strengthens the middle of the body. 2. Encouraging safe standing. Use low furniture or a sturdy box that your child can hold while rising. Let them pull up, pause, and shift their weight. 3. Cruising practice. Once your child can stand while holding on, invite them to move sideways along a couch. Set a favorite toy slightly out of reach. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby development related videos. Please continue watching. 4. Barefoot time. Let your child practice on smooth indoor floors without shoes. Bare feet provide a better grip and help the brain learn how the body feels in motion. 5. Floor obstacles. Place soft cushions or foam blocks on the floor. Allow your child to climb over them while you stay close. 6. Assisted walking. Hold your child lightly under the arms or let them grip your fingers. Move at their pace. 7. Use of push toys. A stable push toy can help a child practice forward motion. Choose something heavy enough to stay balanced. 8. Avoid overhelping. Give space for the child to figure things out. If you guide every movement, they may rely too much on your support. 9. Keep toys at various heights. Place toys on low tables, baskets, or shelves. Reaching for different levels motivates your child to stand and practice shifting weight. Most children begin walking on their own between 9 and 18 months. Offer small chances to practice, keep the area safe, and stay patient as they learn. Do not push or pressure your child. Every child grows in their own time.